Ooh, honey. Good morning. Oh. Try it again. Get these little legs right. Honey. Good morning, everybody. This is your friend, Jalesa McRae official fan page. Honey. And let me tell y'all something. I know I look tired because I'm exhausted. Okay. Yesterday, I got the tea in the mail. This tea right here. I got the instant. And I got the brew. Okay. With the brew, I'm just going to jump right into this video. With the brew, you boil 2 quarts of water with 2 tea bags. You bring the water to a boil. Put the tea bags in there, take it off the heat, and you let it steep for 8 hours on the stove. And it came out so, like this morning when I woke up this morning, it came out so black. But with the instant, you can actually take the powder, right? You can take one of these, pour it in a bottle of water, shake it up, and drink it. Or either take one of these, pour it in a teacup, like you can make warm tea or whatever, drink it. So, I did 2 of these yesterday. I did one around like 3 or 4 o'clock. That's when the mail ran. That's when I got it. Thank you, Coach LaKesha. And then last night, I drank it 30 minutes prior to eating dinner, because you're supposed to take it 30 minutes prior to eating. So 30 minutes prior to eating dinner, I took it. Okay, at 3:46 this morning, my stomach reached from under the cover, grabbed me by my neck, and drugged me to the bathroom. Okay. Honey, I know the packs are $20 a pack. These are $20 a pack. And this lasts for 5 or 7 days. But let me tell you something. I put her name at the top. Y'all need to order from her. And I left her number so you can call her and ask her any questions. But she is at work because she worked day shift. So y'all wait till about 5 o'clock to call her. But anyway, honey. Oh my God. My stomach was not hurting, but I could feel it like, you know how you can feel it like cramping a little bit? I know y'all men don't know nothing about cramps. It was kind of like gas. I had a little flatulence or whatever. I started passing gas, and I was like, okay, maybe it's because I ate fish and green beans before I went to bed, because I baked my fish now, and I put lemon juice on it with a little seasoning or whatever. So I was thinking that's what it was, because I had Captain D's earlier. No, baby. When I tell you that last time I pooed it, I was like, I better take this to the bathroom. I went in there. Honey, I got my breakthrough. But it didn't hurt. It was just a lot. And I was surprised. I was like, dang, I think it's the tea. The tea is really working. So, I went to bed. And then it wasn't even an hour later, I had to go again. Okay. And so, now I'm on live because I just went. Okay. And it's 10 o'clock Alabama time. So, I'm finna drink this other kind that I got. I'm finna drink the brew kind. What I made last night. I'm telling y'all. I took a picture like this. And you put 3 quarts of water in here. And they put you right at the line. When you put them other 2 quarts in there, it'll fill it up. Like, just use a measuring cup. For every 2 cups of water is a quart. Okay? Honey, I'm finna do some sit-ups, honey, because my stomach done got soft from pooping all night. Now, I hate to be so vulgar, but y'all, I got to be clear. I want y'all to hear me good. That tea work. It is really, really working me. But I was also reading about the tea that it works even better when you have like 30 minutes of being active. So I'm probably going to go running today or something if my stomach allows me to. Because, honey, if you do this tea, you need to be at home. You need to do it on your off day. You need to call in work sick or something. If you do this tea, I'm telling you, within 12 hours, you're going to be on the toilet for a while, okay? So, listen to me good. Listen to me good. No, the reason why I got both is because I can't travel with this. Y'all know, cause I'm busy. I can't travel with this big old gallon of juice. So she sent me the instant so I can make it on the road. Because you don't drink but 2 cups a day. So like when I'm at home, I'm going to drink the gallon. But when I'm on the road, I'm going to make the instant. That's why I got both. But you don't need both. Because like for a regular person, you can drink a cup in the morning. And then when you get home, you can drink a cup. But y'all know I be home maybe 2 or 3 days out the week. And then I be on the road. So, honey, I'm already regular. This is what I'm telling y'all. Like, I don't eat bad. Like, the worst I eat is, like, maybe having, like, a chicken burger or, you know, eating out on the road or something like the Zaxby's or something like that. I always have a salad with my food. Like, I'm regular. This right here will have you going. Okay? This will have you blowing it out. This will have your stomach jumping, shouting, having a breakthrough. Okay? So, listen to me good. I'm finna drink another cup now. Because you got to drink 2 cups a day. So I'm finna have my first cup this morning. And it's better when you drink it 30 minutes prior to eating, you guys. So I'm going to drink me a cup this morning. Jesus. And I hope the chilly winds don't blow. Cheers. And I'm going to drink me a cup tonight. Good morning. But honey, I'm telling y'all, if y'all do this, the first 2 days, you need to plan to be at home, or you're going to be embarrassed. Or you need to be able to get to a bathroom real fast, take you some baby wipes, and some of that spray from Bath & Body that you can spray in the water before you poo so you won't kill everybody next door in the bathroom. How long did it take to come? I think it came in 2 days. Because she sent me a picture when she was going to ship it to me. I think it came in 2 days. It don't take long because she ships it herself. She has it on hand. Like, it's not coming from China. No, she's here. She's in Columbus, Georgia. She ships it from Georgia. So wherever you are from Georgia is how long it's going to take you to get it. USPS. Honey, it's worth it. I think it is. This is day 2 for me. And so in 5 days, I'm going to weigh myself. And then that's what we're going to see where we at. Because yesterday I weighed, how much did I weigh yesterday? 167, 169, something like that. But I'm telling you, when y'all get this tea, it works. Because it's done cleaned me out. It's like I took a laxative or something. But it did not hurt my stomach. This is the Iaso tea. IASO tea. It's right here. This is the tea right here. This is the instant kind. Like, for everybody that travel, you need the instant. Because you're not finna take this big old jug with you everywhere. The instant, all you do is pour a pack of this in some water. You could do warm or cold water. Pour a pack of this in some water, in a bottle of water, shake it up, and drink it. That's it. Or you can do the brew. Now with this, it take a little more time. You have to boil 2 quarts of water. You bring it to a boil. And then you put the 2 tea bags in there. You cover it up, take it off the heat, cover it up for 8 hours. Once you pour it in, you pour them 2 cups into 3 quarts of water. It'll give you a gallon of tea. But then you can drink 2 cups. You know what I'm saying? 2 cups every day. So you won't have to shake all that. You just pour it in a cup, drink. And then drink it before you leave, go to work. And then you drink your cup before you go to bed. But it's better to drink it 30 minutes prior to eating. Okay, I feel like I'm repeating myself, but I just have to say it. So shout out to, what's 167? 167, that's how much I weigh? Okay, 167. So, in 5 days, I'm going to weigh myself. And y'all, I'm really going to do the right thing. I'm going to eat right. Like, yesterday, when I cooked my fish, I cooked 2 pieces. And then I got some green beans. So I already got breakfast ready. Yeah, I'm weird. I could eat leftovers. So once I finish this tea, I'm going to set my timer for 30 minutes. And then I'm going to eat this. You see what I'm saying? So there you go. Like, don't drink the tea and then go get a Sasha biscuit from McDonald's. Because it'll work, but it ain't going to work like you need it to work. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Terry, baby. Hey, everybody. You selling Instagram? I'm not selling the tea right now, but the way it's working, I think I'm finna invest in it. I'm finna sell me some tea, y'all. I think that's what I'm finna start doing. Because I need to help my people out. Because I'm big. All of us got this back fat. All of us got these big old stomachs like we 3 months pregnant. Like we need, all of us got these double chins, honey. These fat faces, these fat noses. We glowing like we finna have a baby in the spring, honey. No, it's time to get back fine. It's time to get skinny. Spring break is coming. Spring break is on the way. And it's not letting up. I'm talking about it's pushing hard. You can order from Amazon, but at the same time, like, it's better to order from my homegirl because, like, with Amazon, you pay shipping and all that other stuff, all the little hidden fees. Like, her tea, like, $20 flat rate, you get packed. You send her $20, she send you this, or whatever, however it go. Plus, we got to support our, it's a black business, so we got to support our black business. You not running to the bathroom all the time. Girl, last night, I pooped 3 times. Last night, I took the tea around 4 o'clock. Around 3 that morning, my stomach body slammed me in that bathroom. Okay, on that toilet. And told me not to move until it was done. Like, seriously. And then, it wasn't even hour. I went back in there because I was passing gas. And I was like, nah, I better take this to the bathroom, honey. Woo. My stomach had a Holy Ghost good time. You know what I'm talking about? So, if you take this tea, again, I cannot make it. She said, it really works. I lost 109 pounds. She said, Amazon tea is not real. Don't y'all drink that tea off Amazon. Don't y'all drink that tea off Amazon. She said it's not real. Order from my homegirl. I put her name in the top. Order from Coach LaKesha Hall. And when I start selling this tea, then y'all can order from me. Because we're going to do this together. We're going to get skinny together. You lose 5 pounds in a week. This lady done lost 109 pounds. Okay. But I got to go. Because I got to answer this phone, honey. And I got to drink this tea. So cheers to everybody on their weight journey. And let's do this thing. Let's do it. Honey, I'm finally home, babe. I've been busy. Y'all been working. I was in the studio yesterday. But you gotta get it. If you don't mind me asking, how much did you weigh before? I weighed 167. So in 5 days, we're gonna see how much I weigh. And it really ain't got no taste. But I left her number at the top, and you can write her on Facebook, and you can write her. Yeah, I'm a matchmaker, honey. Yeah, my homegirl just texted me, but I can't tell y'all what she said, but I can tell y'all a little bit about what she said. She was like, I was thinking about what you said, and I'm ready to go on a blind date. So I'm finna hook up with my homeboy, because she a good person, he a good person, and I hope they go good together. But if they don't, then whatever. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I want my friends to be happy like I'm happy. Like, every time I see my husband, my heart get warm. You know what I'm talking about? But anyway, honey, 293, but now I weigh 184. Oh my God, Tanya. Girl, send me one of your before and after pictures so I can post it with this tea, honey. Send it to my inbox. What kind of tea is it? It's the Iaso tea. Alright, but I love y'all so much. This is the tea right here. Iaso. Do not order from Amazon. Amazon tea is not real. It's pressed, mashed, pushed down, stepped on, all that. Don't you order this tea from Amazon. Y'all stop being so cheap. Call LaKesha and get this tea. Bye.